Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have an unboxing. A wonderful subscriber sent their extra copy of the P.louise Falling for P.louise box to me. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So yeah. If you want to see what's in this box and just see some swatches and just everything inside, let's go ahead and get on into it. I don't know if the subscriber wants to be named, so I'm going to leave them nameless. They know who they are. They'll probably comment if they want to be named on the video. But thank you again. I'm so very excited to be unboxing this box. So like I said, it's the Falling for P.louise. It says it's time to turn a new leaf. And it's got leaves all over it. I wish it was still fall. We just got more snow today. So, you know. But that's fine. I'm fine. We're fine. When you open her up, we got a bunch of orange. I don't smell anything right off the bat, but we're going to start with this guy, because keychain, which I know is P.louise's shtick. So this is the Bad Bitch Energy Helping Hand Spiced Maple Hand Cream. So that is what it looks like. As you can see, there's like maple syrup at the top. So it is sealed, but I want to open it. I don't have a hand cream opened. Throw that in the little garbage. Get off! Because I want to smell. Oh, ho, ho. That smells delicious, and it's pink. So very excited about that. I will put this on my purse because it's a keychain. Will do. Love that. We got a bunch of little boxes. So this is the P.louise Skin So Smitten Sticks. It's a cream blush stick. So this is in Cozy Season. So this is what the blush stick looks like. So Smitten Sticks. So we just have a clear top here, and this is what Cozy Season looks like. Ooh, smells good. Smells kind of like caramel toffee. Oh, that's so creamy. That is a gorgeous color. Oh, I love that. That was so creamy to the touch. So I think we have 3 of them in here. So yeah, we have another Smitten Stick in Harvest Blush. So this is the shade Harvest Blush. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty too. Not that I need more cream blushes, but... And then we have Falling for You. So that's how much you get. That's it rolled all the way up, by the way. Ooh, and that's Falling for You. So that's all 3 shades. You could do a really pretty ombre blushy cheek. I really like these. These are cute. And honestly, I think I prefer these over than if I were to have gotten like the liquid blushes that P.louise does. Those are cute. Then we have Once Upon a Line Fireside Pencil Trio. We have Maple Drip, Get Toasty, and Wood, like wood pencil. Would You Be Mine? So here they are. Let's see. Oh God, they're in there. Okay. And the P.louise packaging is just, it's so cute. So, we have Once Upon a Line. Ooh, they're retractable pencils. So there's that like nice dark brown. Then we have, oh, they're all called Once Upon a Line. Where's the shade name? Got it. The shade name is only on the box. So I would assume that that was Get Toasty, and this one is Would You Be Mine? Because this one feels darker. It's darker by like a millimeter. But the shade names are not actually on the pencil. And then this one is Maple Drip. I know because it's the lightest one and it's got shimmer in it. And that one is very pretty. So those are the 3 pencils. And then last but not least in here, I think we have a palette. Because this guy is huge. This is the My Forever Fall Spice Up Your Life with P.louise palette for eye and face. Let me in. Oh, it's a box within a box. No way. It's got like a little notebook binding. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So you've got a mirror. So we've got highlighters and even like blush toppers, and then that's the eyeshadow palette. Beautiful greens to warms. Oh, this is stunning. And let's peel that off. And let's peel the mirror piece off. That is so cute. Hang on, we've got to swatch something. Let's swatch. Let's do 2 mattes and 2 shimmers, and then I'll do some of the highlighters. So let's do a green matte and an orange matte. Those are stunning. And then I want to do this green shimmer that has a rain cloud in it. And let's do this orange shimmer that has leaves in it. Oh my goodness gracious. Those are beautiful. And then the highlights. There's all 4 highlighters. The very first one is to die for. This is gorgeous. I am so happy with all of this. Thank you again for sending this my way. I'm so happy. This is all just beautiful. Beautiful and stunning, and of course the lip liners are not going to want to come off my hand. Who knew? Who knew the lip liners were going to be lip liners? But thank you again. This was my unboxing of the fall P.louise box. I know it's late, but like I said, a subscriber sent it to me, so we're unboxing it now. I know it's winter, but we'll take it and we'll like it. I like it anyway, and that's what matters. I'm so very happy with this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, stunning. I'm happy we only got the one, like, not makeup product. My only complaint with this would be that I wish the lip liners had their name on them. They just say Once Upon a Line on all three of them, which is what they are. They don't have the actual name of the lip liner on them. That's my only complaint, which is just a minor little baby complaint. Everything else, gorgeous and stunning and lovely and wonderful, and I can't wait to play with all of this. But that is going to do it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!